In this video, I'll guide you through how to add background art on Squarespace, transforming your website into a visually stunning space tailored to your style. Adding background art can make a significant difference in the overall appearance of your site, helping create a more engaging experience for your visitors. Let's dive in and explore how to achieve this. First things first, navigate to the section of your Squarespace site that you want to enhance with some artistic flair. You'll want to hover over this section until you see the pencil icon, which serves as the Edit section button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the editing options for that particular section, allowing you to make the changes you need. Once you're in the editing mode, focus your attention on the Background tab. You'll find this option in the editing menu, and this is your gateway to customizing the background of your section. Click on the Background tab, and you'll see several options. What you're interested in here is the art option. Select it to proceed with adding some creative background art. Now comes the fun part, choosing a style that fits the aesthetic you're going for. Squarespace offers a gallery of animated effects to choose from, each adding a unique touch to your website. Among the options are refracted circles, liquid, static, and wave. Take your time to browse through these styles. Each one offers a different vibe, so consider how they complement the rest of your design and what message you want to convey to your audience. Whether you prefer the fluid motion of the liquid effect or the serene simplicity of static, there's something to match every theme. Once you've found the perfect style, it's time to save your changes to ensure your new background art is applied to your site. This step is crucial as it locks in your customizations and makes them visible to your site visitors. Simply hit the Save button, and your background art will be successfully added to your Squarespace section. And there you have it. You've successfully added captivating background art to your Squarespace site, enhancing its visual appeal. Remember, the key to a great website is not just in its functionality, but also in its ability to capture the attention of your visitors and communicate your brand's personality effectively. By following these straightforward steps, you've taken a significant step toward achieving a more dynamic and engaging web presence. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to refresh the look of your site or experiment with different styles. The possibilities are endless, and with Squarespace's intuitive tools, you can easily keep your site looking fresh and engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!